Hi, in this video we are going to see how we can derive the formula for the point which divide a line segment internally. So point dividing a line segment internally. In this case we are going to consider point A to be a general point which has coordinate x1, y1. Then point B has coordinate x2 and y2. Point R, which is xy, be any point between A and B such that ratio from A to R and R to B is given by M is to N. So the objective is to obtain the coordinate of R. We consider point Q1 and point Q2 on angle AQR and angle RQ2B are equal. Triangle AQ1R is similar to triangle RQ2B. So these two triangles are similar, triangle AQ1R and triangle RQ2B. So from similarity, it means that we can compare the sides of these triangles. So we can compare side AQ1, the base of this triangle, with the base of this other triangle, side RQ2, which will be equal to Q1R divided by the height of the other triangle, Q2R, which is equal to this other side, AR, side AR over RB. But from the ratio, AR is M and RB is N. This ratio tells you that AQ1 over RQ2 is the same as M over N, and Q1R divided by Q2R is equal to M over N. So that is the implication. Now from this triangle here, AQ1 length AQ1 is the same as x minus x1, and RQ2 is the same as x2 minus x2 minus x. So we substitute the value of AQ1 and RQ2 here, so that we obtain x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x is equal to M over N, which implies that when we cross multiply, N into bracket x minus x1 is the same as M into bracket x2 minus x by cross multiplying. We remove the bracket, nx minus nx1 is equal to mx2 minus mx. We group the terms with x together, so we will have nx. Taking mx, which is negative on the left, it will become positive mx, which is equal to mx2 plus nx1. We factorize x, which is common, so that we shall be left with n plus m, which is equal to nx1 plus mx2. That's nx1 plus mx2 divided by n plus m. Similarly, we compare now. We come back to this equation, q1 r and q2 r. So you note that q1 r, this distance here, q1 r will be given by y minus y1, y minus y1, and q2 r will be given by y2 minus y, y2 minus y. So instead of q1 r, we are going to have y minus y1 divided by y2 minus, this is equal to m over n, using this equation here. We cross multiply, so we have ny minus y1 n is equal to my2 minus ny. We group the terms with n, so ny plus ny plus my, this is my, this term, grouping the terms with y together, is equal to my2 plus y1 n. Then we factorize y here, so that you shall be left with n plus m, this is m, is equal to y1 n plus y2 m. So we divide by n plus m both sides, so y is equal to ny1 plus my2 divided by n plus m, given by n x1 plus m x2 divided by n plus m, comma n y1 plus m y2 divided by n plus m. So that is the general formula which divide our line as segment. In the next video, we are going to give a numerical example on how to obtain the coordinate of the point that divides the line segment joining 2 points in a given ratio. Thanks so much for taking your time to study with me analytical geometry. Bye bye for now. See you in the next video.